Bitrix24 CRM review. Watch before using. Most people get CRM platforms wrong. They assume they are complicated, expensive, or only for big companies. The surprising truth about Bitrix24 is that it's an all-in-one CRM project management and communication tool that's surprisingly intuitive, and you won't believe how much it can streamline your business in one platform. Here's how it works. Bitrix24 provides tools for contact management, sales automation, team collaboration, and marketing campaigns. You can track leads, automate follow-ups, and manage customer interactions all in one place. For example, a small business selling online products can use Bitrix24 to capture leads from their website, automatically assign them to sales reps, and track every interaction in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume CRMs are just contact lists, but Bitrix24 integrates task management, email marketing, and even video conferencing. Additional features include pipeline management, analytics dashboards, workflow automation, and mobile access. Users often praise its flexibility, as it adapts to both small teams and larger enterprises, offering free and paid plans depending on needs. However, there are considerations. The interface can be overwhelming at first because of the sheer number of features. Most people assume setup is instant. It takes some time to customize pipelines, workflows, and permissions for your specific business. In conclusion, Bitrix24 is ideal for businesses that want a comprehensive, affordable, and integrated platform for managing sales, teams, and customer relationships. If you are willing to invest a little time upfront, it can dramatically improve efficiency and organization. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business software and productivity tools.